Are you short on time? Join us online. In this edition of the Augusta University Writing Center's online tutorials, we'll go over how to cite a journal article in APA Style 7th edition. Remember, the American Psychological Association introduced the 7th edition of APA Style in 2019, and most colleges and schools will be using the 7th edition from 2020 on. Make sure you're using guides that focus on the 7th and not the 6th edition of APA Style. So, how do I cite a journal article in APA Style 7th edition? Here we have a basic template for citing journal articles, also called periodicals. APA Style always begins with the author. Include last names followed by initials. The date always comes next in parentheses. After the date, include the full title of the article. Then comes the full title of the journal, followed by the volume number, issue number, and page range. The final component of your citation will be the DOI number, the Digital Object Identifier, or the URL where you retrieved the article. Remember, the DOI is preferable because it's stable, but if it doesn't have a DOI, the URL is fine. There are a lot of small details within citation styles, and APA is no different. Overall, make sure you pay attention to font styles and punctuation. For a journal article citation, include up to 20 authors if they are listed on the document. If you have more than 20, list the first 19, followed by an ellipsis, followed by the final author. In the date position, only include the year for journal articles. Use sentence case for article titles. This means only the first word, proper nouns, and the first word after a colon or other punctuation, such as periods, question marks, or em dashes, will be capitalized. Journal articles, on the other hand, use title case, meaning you capitalize all major words. Finally, when including the URL or DOI, make sure to format them as live links. If your DOI number is not already formatted as a link, add the prefix https://doi.org before the number to turn it into one. Easy, right? So let's look at an example. Here we have our authors in the author position. Notice we have their last names and initials, and we have an ampersand before the final author. Also notice the capitalization for our journal article title and the journal title. Finally, notice how our DOI is formatted as a live link. And voila! It's magic! Now you know how to cite a journal article in APA Style 7th edition.